Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to create multiple stores on your Shopify account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So go ahead into the upper right corner and log into your account, and after successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can find all the options that we can access for managing our store. As you can see right here, we have this home section, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started creating multiple stores, guys. It's all very easy and you only need 3 clicks. All you have to do is go right here into the upper right corner and click on my store. After clicking on my store, this is now going to open up this new drop down menu where you can take a look at all menu options that you have and that you can access, and one of those is going to be called all stores. So you want to go ahead and click on all stores. After clicking all stores, guys, this is now going to open up this management hub where you can take a look at the stores you have, and as you can see, there is a button that says create stores. What you can do is create a new store by clicking the create store button, and after creating a store, this is now going to go ahead and proceed with all the steps you need to follow on setting up your online store. So go ahead and proceed, fill it all out, and this is how to create your new store, and it's all going to be in that management hub right here. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.